Oof.
How'd you get over there?
Let me help you up, sir. You okay? Can you think you could stand?
Yeah, I can stand, but give me your help.
Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand, right here, sir.
I'm not really sure how we're gonna.
I'd hate to hurt him getting over this fence.
Huh?
You think you can step over here? There's a little spot right here, but
Do you think you could step back that way, sir, or no?
can you step right here where my light is? I gotta pick it up.
We could probably walk him around. Just hold on to him and walk him backwards around here. This is probably how he got over there. Here, give me this hand. Yes. We're gonna walk you back, okay?
Okay.
Just slow down, sir.
Come hold his left hand.
That goes pretty far. Does that swivel?
Got him?
Yeah, I got him. If we get somebody else on this side too, we might be able to just lift them over. Oh, you got it?
All right. Here, watch your arm.
Yep. Can you?
Here, you can let
Try
go
to stand the best you can.
You can also close out the search on the vehicle here. Always use that.
I haven't. I was running back here.
All right, all right.
Where's the other? My boat is there. Okay. Here, step over here. Back up a little bit more. There you go. Okay. We have a med unit coming.
All right. Yeah, we'll just bring him on the grass and sit him down.
Okay, I got him, sir.
You got him?
Here. Hey, bring him towards you.
Yeah, he's moving this way.
Oh, okay.
My boat is
We're gonna sit you down the grass, sir. All right? And
Here, you're gonna walk straight ahead, okay?
Towards me, all right?
There you go. Watch your feet.
29 now? I made contact with Commander Gimble and 311 stand down.
There you go.
Come on. 29 coconut.
We're almost there.
29 coconut.
29 coconut.
There you go.
Here, a little bit more.
Just a little bit more. There you go. Oh.
That's all right.
You were there 5-6 hours? Yeah. What were you doing? Trying to fish?
It was like inside from there. I had a problem. Very stronger guys.
Well, you beat the rain. Yeah, hear it coming.